If the Windows File Explorer isn't working right or won't open at all, it might be hard for you to manage your files. In this video, we'll show you what you need to do if you're having an issue with Windows File Explorer. By the way, please like and share our videos to help those who might have the same issues so that we can help them too. Once you're done, then let's begin. First, restart your computer. You need to reboot your computer to refresh your system. This is a basic step to take whenever your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer gives you trouble. Make sure to turn off the PC and leave it off for about 30 seconds if you want to restart it completely. After that, turn it back on and see if the problem with File Explorer not opening has been fixed. Next, install the latest Windows updates. If a quick restart doesn't work, the next basic step is to make sure you have the most recent version of Windows. It's possible that the File Explorer bug you're having is caused by the old version of Windows you're using. To see if Windows has any updates, on your keyboard, press the Windows plus I buttons to open up the Windows settings menu. Select Update and Security. Go to check for updates under the Windows Update section. If there is a feature update available, select Download and Install. Wait for the installation of updates to finish, then restart your PC. Next, force quit File Explorer in Task Manager. If the problem with File Explorer not opening keeps happening, you can try restarting its process in the Task Manager to see what happens. This is how to do it. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Under the Processes tab, look for Windows Explorer and right-click on it. Select Restart. On top of the Task Manager window, click on File. Select Run New Task. Type in Explorer.exe in the box and press Enter. Next, update your display settings. In this one, you'll need to change the layout, resolution, or display settings on your computer. File Explorer problems have been fixed in the past by using this method, but Microsoft hasn't said if this is a known bug or not. Here's what you need to do. On your keyboard, press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app. Go to System, select Display. Under the Scale and Layout section, make sure that you select the recommended display resolution. Do the same for the Scale or Scaling option by making sure that you select the recommended option by Windows. If the Scaling option is already set to 100%, try changing it to 125% then back to 100%, and check if the File Explorer won't open issue is fixed. Next, set a new path for File Explorer. Some PC users were able to fix the problem where File Explorer wouldn't open by changing the path of the icon. You could try it out. This is how. Go to your taskbar, right-click on the File Explorer icon and select Unpin from the taskbar. Then, right-click on a blank spot on your desktop and select New, then Shortcut. In the Create Shortcut window, type in C, Windows, Explorer.exe to create a new shortcut. Rename the file as File Explorer and then click on Finish. Right-click the new shortcut and select Pin to Taskbar. Next, disable Windows Search. We found another trick on the internet: temporarily turn off the Windows Search function. Check out what you need to do to turn it off. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and type in CMD. Right-click on the Command Prompt app and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes on the UIC window. In the Command Prompt window, type in net.exe stop Windows Search. Open File Explorer and check if the problem is fixed. If the problem goes away when you turn off Windows Search, your system must have a bug that can be fixed by updating. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it. If you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.